Yo, what is going on, guys? Today, we are going to be fixing this NES controller because the reason the cord's messed up. And I'm going to see if I can cut it and rewire it, but I would have to take this whole thing apart first and see if there's anything wrong with it, anything else wrong with it. Let's just say, if you guys don't know about my other channel, and if you guys are a gamer person, go follow my one channel that just says Lewis 2010. You'll see my old picture of me holding a Prime bottle. So yeah, I got another iFixit channel because, let's just say, I forgot the password. I should have wrote it down, but I didn't. So I forgot the password on my old phone. As you can see, this phone doesn't work. I need to replace the new hardware. But that won't be in the near future. I'll also make a video by fixing that phone in the future. But right now, I don't really have the money to buy it. So let's just start the video. Alright, I'm also going to use this nice toolkit. Sorry, I'm not good with one hand. I'm going to be using this good toolkit that... Let's see, what tools do I need? Probably need this. Definitely need this. I think everybody would need this. Let's see, I know what screw it was. I just now need to see which one was it. This one looks like it. Alrighty. And we need this too. Really, I think that's it. Alrighty then. Let's start it. Alrighty, guys. Sorry for no edits because I'm not used to iPhone. I need to figure that out. I tried figuring it out on YouTube. I couldn't figure it out, but I will learn it in the future. So, anyways, let's get this started. Everyone's favorite, I guess. That's what I heard. Yeah, everyone's favorite thing is... Alright. I gotta pull this all the way. You know what? Let me give you guys a closer look. Alright, hopefully this is the best angle. I'm not sure, but... Let's see. Screws. I think I need a flashlight. I cannot see that. It's got rust in it, so... And what do you expect? It's an NES. I want to see if I can at least get one of these off. Huh. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. It's probably not even the right one. Hold up. Yeah, you see, these screws are rusted out. How am I gonna... that's just nice. That's just nice. I really can't do so much with this. That's just nice. That is nice. I gotta figure out how to open this. I gotta actually figure out how to open this. Hold up, guys. Let me think about this. Well, guys, looks like this is gonna be a cleaning video instead because these screws are rusted out. And don't worry, I'll still fix the cord, but yeah, let's just say that isn't gonna work. If I cut this all the way from here to here, that will actually, like... Because I know, like, once you twist the things, it should work. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it then. But first, we should probably do a cleaning thing. A little scrub right here. It's on my dental pick. I'm gonna have to do it this side. Well, I got it partially off. Already. Alright. Sorry guys that this ain't gonna be a long video, but I tried. I tried at least. Let me think. Hold up. Alrighty, I got the scissors. Either I'm making a big mistake or what. Oh, man. Okay. I'm gonna try and see if I can... There we go. That's one. Alright. Ah, man. Yeah, I'm trying to do this gently so I don't cut all the way through. There we go. What we do next... Alright, this piece of string is just in the way. Yeah, this is just a piece of string. I don't know why that's there. Alright. Trust me, guys, I know it hurts you more as me. Oh, boy. Ah. Oh, that's where it goes. That's just great. Sorry for the peace and quiet. I'm just trying to be really focused right now. Because I am stressing of sweat. Oh boy, I just got to do this one at a time. Maybe it is a good thing it's gonna take for a while because this is supposed to be a long video anyways. Oh wait, I could just use my thing. Oh boy, this might take for an hour. Whew. That's one. That's only one. That's only one, guys. 4 more to go. Okay. Yeah, that's only one, guys. I want to see if I can do the rest at once. Oh boy. You know what? I ain't gonna let you guys wait this long. So, I'm gonna actually cut this for a second. Wow, you guys don't have to deal with the pain while I have to. Alrighty, guys, this is what the first one looks like. Now, it's time for the second one. Oh, boy. Well, I have an idea. How about just do this at a time? Aww. That's what I get. That's what I... That's what I get. That sucks. I gotta stop doing that. I'm making the cord shorter. That's all I'm doing. Damn. I'm just torturing myself. Trust me, guys, this sucks. If you guys want to be a person that wants to fix electronics and stuff, you guys have to be patient while doing this. Because if you're not patient, you can screw something up. And that's what I did in the past. And that's what I could be doing right now. So, I just need to take my time and do one at a time. I'll also skip this that way you guys don't have to watch. Almost there, guys. Two more to go. This is crazy. Alrighty, I got one more, and this time I'm not clipping the video. You guys have to watch this. You guys didn't have to worry about watching the other ones. Time to get this one specifically. Alright. This one's a stubborn one.
Do the glowies come down though when you drop them from that high? Or yeah. See? Oh, okay, yeah, but they're all spread out though. Look at all the glowies in the sky. Yeah. Cloud with a hint of glowing, glowies, and broccoli. But this time. Hey, exit out and click all the glowies. Let's see how far he goes up. Okay. Keep going. Go collect all those glowies. That's the only problem you get so high, they get spread out so far.
Finally. This last one. Alrighty.
No. My strategy is going all the way up to level 20 and then buying everything. Because I don't have loads and then just buy everything quick. Can we talk about that Infinity War now? I think it's about time. Yeah, okay.
Alright. There we go. How do people do this? I don't know how they did it. I don't think this is gonna work. I have big doubts. But it's always worth a try. That's what it is, guys. Alrighty. Moment of truth. Do you guys think it'll work? Who knows? Let's find out. Alright, I have no clue why it's doing this, but let's see if it works. Yeah. Yeah, it's not working. Hold up, maybe it's the game. Yeah, that's just weird how it's just constantly gray, but anyways, yeah, this controller ain't working. Yeah, I knew it wouldn't. I had a feeling it wouldn't. That figures. Alrighty, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though if this was still a bust. Yeah, I couldn't figure out how to open it and everything because, let's just say the screws were rusted out and everything. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video, and if you're new here, subscribe, which is, this is my new channel too, so why did I say that? I don't know. Anyways, just subscribe to this channel if you want. It don't matter if you're a person that likes consoles or technology being fixed. Go subscribe to this channel because I will be making future videos on here. So hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.